You met me, and thank you for hosting us in your lovely house. Tell me what you think, what kind of person I am, and how can I improve myself?
Oh, well, I've only met you just for a very short time, but you have been just wonderful. You made a special trip out of your way to come, and I appreciate it, and my husband appreciates it, and you seem to be a very, very down-to-earth person. And I think what you're doing is a wonderful thing to help anybody. And from what I know in the short time, you're like a son to me already.
That's
like
so
I
sweet
said,
of you to say.
I look for the good in everybody. And it's a pleasure and a wonderful to have met you and hope to see you many more times.
Thank you, Mama.
That's good.
So tell me more, what should I fix in myself?
I wouldn't be able to give a good answer right now because I haven't been with you long enough. But right now, for what I see...
No, people meet you for an hour and they tell you, oh, you must do this.
No, I can't say that. I wouldn't be telling the truth because I think what I have seen of you and heard of you, everything is fine. I think you're just a wonderful person. And I could not give you, just to be honest and be a good person. And what you're doing and helping others, absolutely wonderful. And I think that you should keep it up. Because what you're doing is getting to a lot of people that can't. And what a blessing God has given you to do this. So continue.
Thank you. Thank you, Mom.